Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome back to City Tour Insight, your passport to the world's most captivating cities. I'm your guide on this virtual adventure, and today we're diving into the enchanting city of Lisbon. Known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning vistas, Lisbon is a destination that beckons exploration. In this episode, we'll unravel the tapestry of this Portuguese gem, highlighting 5 must-visit places that encapsulate the city's soul. From the medieval grandeur of São Jorge Castle to the contemporary creativity at LX Factory, we'll traverse the cobblestone streets, uncovering the stories that make Lisbon a unique and vibrant destination. So whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply someone seeking a new travel experience, join us as we uncover the best places to visit in Lisbon. Let the journey begin. Number 1, São Jorge Castle. Our first destination in the heart of Lisbon's historical tapestry is none other than the awe-inspiring São Jorge Castle. Perched atop one of the city's 7 hills, this medieval fortress is a living testament to centuries of Lisbon's rich and resilient history, constructed by the Moors in the 11th century. So Jorge Castle has weathered the passage of time, witnessing the ebb and flow of conquests and cultures as we navigate through its labyrinthine alleys. The panoramic views from the castle's vantage points reveal the city's timeless beauty, with the Tagus River meandering through red-tiled roofs. The Ulysses Tower, adorned with intricate manual detailing, houses the fascinating camera obscura, offering a unique, real-time perspective of Lisbon. São Jorge Castle invites history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike to step back in time, exploring its ancient walls, towers, and the tranquil castle of São Jorge. Join us on this journey through the centuries as we unlock the secrets of São Jorge Castle, our first stop in discovering the best places to visit in Lisbon. Number 2, Lisbon Cathedral. Our next stop on this Lisbon adventure brings us to the beating heart of the city, the Lisbon Cathedral, or City de Lisboa, nestled within the historic district of Alfama. Steeped in over a millennium of history, this architectural marvel stands as the oldest church in Lisbon, a living testament to the city's resilience and faith. And as you approach the cathedral, the Romanesque facade beckons, and upon entering, you'll be transported through time, marvel at the intricate rose window, a masterpiece of Gothic design, and explore the serene cloisters that echo with centuries-old wisdom. The Lisbon Cathedral has weathered earthquakes and fires, standing tall as a symbol of Portugal's endurance. Take a leisurely stroll through the narrow streets of Alfama surrounding the cathedral, where the soulful melodies of Fado music might serenade your journey. The Lisbon Cathedral is more than a religious landmark. It's a profound connection to the city's past, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to unravel the layers of Lisbon's cultural and historical tapestry. Number 3, Belém Tower. As the sun sets over the Tagus River, we find ourselves at our third stop, the iconic Belém Tower. Standing proudly since the early 16th century, this maritime fortress is more than just a stone structure. It's a living testament to Portugal's age of discovery. Join me as we embark on a journey through time and history. Belém Tower. UNESCO World Heritage Site, served as a sentinel guarding the entrance to Lisbon's harbor during an era when the great Portuguese explorers set sail to chart unknown waters. The intricate Manueline architecture, adorned with nautical motifs and maritime symbols, pays homage to the nation's seafaring prowess. Climbing the tower offers panoramic views of the Tagus River and the 25-day April Bridge, allowing visitors to grasp the strategic importance it held in Portugal's golden age. As the cool breeze whispers tales of past voyages, Belém Tower stands as a symbol of exploration, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of a nation forever connected to the sea. Number 4, LX Factory. Welcome to LX Factory, your 4th stop on this Lisbon adventure, where the city's industrial past meets its contemporary heartbeat. Nestled in the Alcantara district, LX Factory is a testament to Lisbon's ability to reinvent itself. This former industrial complex has undergone a remarkable transformation into a dynamic cultural and creative hub. As you wander through LX Factory's vibrant alleys, you'll be immersed in a world of street art, independent boutiques, and hip cafes. The air is filled with a creative energy that permeates every corner. Artists and innovators have turned this space into a haven for expression and inspiration. The factory's industrial charm blends seamlessly with the modern, making it a unique destination for those looking to experience the pulse of Lisbon's contemporary culture. Don't miss the LEX Factory Market, a treasure trove of unique finds of local craftsmanship. Whether you're sipping coffee in a trendy cafe or exploring the diverse art installations, LX Factory is a must-visit for anyone wanting to witness Lisbon's dynamic and ever-evolving spirit. Number 5, Jerónimos Monastery. As our Lisbon exploration draws to a close, our final destination is the majestic Jerónimos Monastery, a crowning jewel of Portugal's cultural and historical legacy, standing tall in the elegant district of Belém. This masterpiece of Manuline architecture is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the country's golden age of exploration. Built in the 16th century, the monastery's intricate detailing and grandeur reflect the prosperity of Portugal during the Age of Discovery. The Church of Santa Maria, housed within the monastery, showcases breathtaking craftsmanship with its ornate columns and beautifully arched ceilings. As you wander through the cloisters, you'll be transported to a bygone era, surrounded by the serene beauty that inspired poets and explorers alike. Don't miss the opportunity to pay homage to Portugal's maritime legends with the final resting places of Vasco da Gama and Luís de Camões. Jerónimos Monastery is not merely a historical site. It's a journey through the soul-stirring history that has shaped Portugal. Join us in savoring the grand finale of our Lisbon adventure at this remarkable architectural wonder. As our expedition through Lisbon comes to a close, we find ourselves amidst the breathtaking skyline of a city that seamlessly blends the echoes of its storied past with the vibrant pulse of its present. From the medieval charm of São Jorge Castle to the contemporary vibes of LX Factory, Lisbon has proven to be a treasure trove for every type of explorer. Our journey through these 5 remarkable places, each with its unique story and allure, has only scratched the surface of what Lisbon has to offer. Whether you've been inspired by the panoramic views from São Jorge Castle or enchanted by the historical grandeur of Jerónimos Monastery, this city has left an indelible mark on our travel hearts. Thank you for joining us on this city tour insight adventure through Lisbon. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more enriching city tours. Until our next voyage, may your travels be filled with discovery and wonder. Happy trails.